Hey, it's time to announce the winners of the Big Berkey and the Tom Bartels Grow Food Well class tuitions, as well as the MenGrills Afghan Pressure Cooker. So let's do it.
Hi, I'm Christy.
I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Kylene, and it's time to announce the winners. First of all, we are so grateful for our sponsors and their very generous donations that make this possible, and to our subscribers, because we love you. So now, first of all, let's do the MenGrills Afghan Pressure Cooker.
You ready? Aurora Eagle Ford!
Woo!
Yay,
Aurora!
congratulations!
Congratulations!
And now, it's time for the next one. I don't know if I was supposed to say that, but I did, so we're rolling with it.
Let's do it.
Daddy.
And it's Tom Bartels, the tuition for his Grow Food Well class. So let's do it.
Ready?
First one!
S!
S.
S, nice and short. S
That's a
is
straight
for
name.
short.
And now the second one. Pamela Carpenter!
Yay, Pamela!
And the third one. Carl Chapman!
All right, congratulations, Carl.
Congratulations!
And then finally, the winner of the Big Berkey filter.
So exciting. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
It is.
I'm ready.
Woo! Bobbi Miron.
Congratulations, Bobbi.
Bobbi! That's awesome.
All right.
Now make sure wait, my turn.
Okay,
Now
all
make
right.
sure you guys, I'm going to contact you through your original comment. So make sure you look at that to find how you can contact us in order to claim your prizes.
Wonderful.
Woot woot.
My turn?
It's your turn.
Okay, now it's my
You have
turn.
permission.
Again, we want to thank all of our sponsors, all of the people who are donating prizes, and all of you for joining in this celebration and contest. And we want to thank all of you for being part of the solution. So keep it up.